Hello, my name is Jeremy Duchesne and I'm in Architectural Technology at Montmorency College for my fourth semester. In this program, you need a lot of inspiration to make new design and know how to use a few software like AutoCAD, Revit, and Photoshop. The worst thing that can happen is a blank of idea. If you don't know Hello, my name is Jeremy Duchesne and I'm in Architectural Technology at Montmorency College for my fourth semester. In this ArchDaily, it's like a little journal for architects that will show projects around the world. So the first page that will appear to you after you enter in the address bar. So you can scroll down and see by yourself all the picture of the project, and know who's the architect, the location, the area, the project here, and the photograph. If by example I go on event in the navigation menu and I don't want to be on this page, I go on the top middle of the screen and click on the logo, so it will bring me to the news page again. Under the logo you have the navigation menu, and if you want a specific project and you go on project, all category and house, you'll get a lot of inspiration for a new house you want to build. So if I come back to my example of lack of ideas and I need to make new plans and elevation and I don't know what to do, I may go on this website for helping me. If my project is a school in Laval, the school looks like prison. So I understand why kids don't want to go to school, but if they have one with a cool design, it can motivate them to have better grade and etc. So if I click on the icon of search and I write school, I'll get many projects, and if I click on the school in Africa, it's a little weird, but it's cool. You'll get again a little description of what's the project and how they build it. And if I take another one and I take Zaha Hadid, this project look weird, but I think the kid will like to be there. So it's very cool to know what happened around the world and what architects do with school. This website can also help you with the renovation of your kitchen or your bedroom. So basically, this website can do anything. So thanks for listening and have a good day.